so pleasant, feels so good. Exactly what I needed after New York. Miami is beautiful. Let's explore. By the way, check out the color of the sky. Does it look amazing? See, I'm in Miami Beach. There, you see those buildings somewhere? Right behind that is where I'm staying. And right behind there is the beach. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check this out. To the beach. Yeah. Hi. What's up? How on earth did I reach here? I'm yet to tell you guys. For now, you see the clouds behind. It's heavy overcast. I think it's gonna rain. Leave the beach. It's gonna rain. This place can easily pull off as the Goa of the East Coast. It has the exact same vibe. People from all over having a good time. Nobody cares what you're doing. Everyone's in a damn chill mode. Just few hours here, I've already experienced that. I ran at the beach. I met some cool people. I had Cuban food. Oh gosh, you have to try Cuban food. The idea is to just explore. See some places. I've made a list of places I want to go, a list of cafes and restaurants I want to eat at. Let's enjoy. Hi. Okay, let's go. Still very heavy overcast, right? It rained all night. Still not sunny yet. It's okay. I'm gonna still shoot. Sad part, guys, here is that I don't have any beach wear because I literally didn't plan this. I just saw which place I can travel in the East Coast. It's okay. I'll have fun. Just when I turned, my phone fell. Got the shot, right?